my review on the Mr. Coffee Grinder. I got a blend coffee maker. This thing is approximately 6 months old. Got it for Christmas. As you can see, the blue light is on, so that means this is in securely. If this pops out, the blue light goes off. So it means it's good to grind. But watch, and I have it set all the way to the highest setting of 16. So let's just move it in a little cut here. That's an actual unit of measurement, people. This cunt here. So, I mean, get my glasses on here, and it's roughly at 15. Okay, 15, 16. Watch. So, this is for to twist this to turn the coarseness of the grounds. So we're going to turn it as far right as we can. It wants to go. And here's another bad thing about that, is a lot of coffee escapes out of this grinder. I have to clean my grinder every day. And it was a chore just to get enough grounds to build to make a pot of coffee. It just started doing this. I don't know what the fix is. I've taken the hopper off. I've completely unscrewed it. Made sure there were no beans down up in there that were caught. Seems like it's in the timer because of the fact. Let's try going all the way to the left now. All the way to the left, as far left as we can get it. Push it in. This is going to be a very tedious thing if I have to use this every day until I can get a new one, until I can get to the store. Unless anybody's got a bush fix. But as you can see, I mean, this coffee grinder is probably such a flawed design, as it just spits grinds everywhere. Let's go halfway, and halfway on the dial to 8, we'll say. It sounds like it wants to go, but I mean, I'm pushing it in to make sure that this popping out a little bit isn't my issue. Here, as you can see, look at all the grounds, and I just cleaned it out. All the grounds right there. It doesn't catch them all. I mean, it's not this little hole, because this little hole is clear. Sorry for the poor lighting. You know, I don't suggest, I may splurge this time and buy may buy a DeLonghi or something similar with the larger hopper like this. I use a lot of coffee. This is what I got not grounded. And unfortunately, this thing just stopped working all of a sudden, just took a shit in the middle of grinding. I was going to take some to work, so, because we have no coffee at work. And, you know, make it like an employee pot of coffee type. It's Dunkin' Donuts brand coffee. So I mean, I don't know. I'm up for any suggestions that you may have. It's like I said, it's just working short bursts. I'll even try holding it down. I'll try holding it down now. And it does not hold it down until you release it. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm up for any suggestions that y'all may have. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.